Zoomlion concrete mixer refers to the concrete mixing equipment produced by China Zoomlion Group. Zoomlion is one of the leading construction machinery manufacturers in China, focusing on the production of various construction machinery and equipment, including concrete mixers, mixer trucks, mixing plants, etc. Concrete mixer is a common equipment in construction sites and concrete production plants, which is used to mix cement, sand, crushed stone and other raw materials into concrete for construction projects.